You don't need any followers. You don't have to sell anything. And you don't have to provide any service. But you'll still be able to make $500 for an Instagram story. Stay tuned so you can be the first to use it. And that way, be one step ahead of your competitors. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. We'll look them straight into my computer so I can show you one of the easiest and fastest way to make money on Instagram with no followers. In order to make this strategy work, we will be using 3 different platforms. We will combine 2 more websites with Instagram in order to make this strategy working. So how can you make over $500 for each Instagram story? Not once, not twice, but repeatedly. Even if you don't have any followers, don't have any posts, or have only recently launched your Instagram profile, you'll be able to accomplish it. So first and foremost, you must register with Instagram. You must first create a user account. You don't need the branded account or anything like that. It doesn't matter whether you have no post or followers. It makes no difference to us if you have 0 followers, 100 followers, or 500 followers. We just want you to set up a nice profile picture, nice username, and maybe you can post 1 or 2 different contents on your page. As soon as you set up your profile properly, you'll now go over to the search bar and search for different hashtags like book lovers or bookstagram and try to check out the top hashtags. For this one, it is book lover. Here, we are seeking people that love reading books, and Instagram can find you millions of them. For example, this one over here, you want to open up their page and check if they're actually posting related to books. And yes, this page seems to be all related books, which is perfect. So, this one page that we found has big following, which is great. Now, let us go back to that hashtag, and here you can find all other related posts that talks about books, of which you can also use. You can try to check the topmost post, explore different profiles that post about books. Like for example, this profile. It is proven that this profile posts a lot of books-related contents. And surely it really attracts people that love books. And you will see how that will make money for every story. You don't have to sell them anything or whatsoever. You don't have to worry about it because it is so easy and simple. Let's open up another page and try this one. This is also a similar page to the example we had. This is good. Now, I want you to open up as many of these as you can. You can probably start with 3 or 4 or 5 different pages related to books and book lovers. You can repeat the process again and again. The more pages you can find, the more opportunity you can make money. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. Now, we have 2 more platforms before we get back to those pages. The first platform is Audible.com. Audible.com is the leading creator and provider of premium and audio storytelling, enriching the lives of our millions of listeners every day. It has reinvented a media category and is the driving force behind today's audio entertainment revolution. There are over 20 million active monthly users on Audible that come here to grab their own audiobooks. There are many people who love reading books but do not have time to read them. But with audiobooks, it can be done even if you're cooking or whatever you're doing. You can just put on your headphones and listen to different audiobooks, and it still feels like you're reading a book. That's why the demand for this is growing. Don't worry, you will not have to resell those ebooks or whatever. People don't have to pay for anything. but you will still make money, and that's why this is so easy and requires no previous skills. You just need one Instagram story to make over $500. And I know it may sound a little bit confusing, but just stick with me and you will know exactly what needs to be done here. Audible.com has a large selection of audiobooks for any book you can think of. There is at least one audiobook for it on Audible.com. You can search for books by clicking on the search box, and you'll be able to find millions of different books. What we want to do is go over to Google.com and type in Audible Affiliate. Do not let this scare you away, because as I mentioned earlier, you will not have to resell anything or pay anything. But you're still going to be able to make money with Audible Affiliate Program. This affiliate program is really unique. Take a look at this. All you need to do is advertise, drive traffic, and earn. Let us take a look at the standard fee structure. If someone signs up for the monthly membership, you're going to make $10 for it. If someone signs up through your affiliate link, but they must spend money to do so, it may be a little more difficult. But here's the deal, guys. If they sign up for free trial membership, you're going to get $5, even if they cancel their membership. Audible is going to pay you just for getting qualified leads, and they're gonna pay you $5 per qualified lead per person that signs up to this Audible free trial. So all they need to do is click on your affiliate link. They will be directed to this page and click on Try Audible for free. And if they sign you up, you will get $5 for that. They don't have to pay anything, and they may access free audiobooks from Audible.com. So they can choose from a wide variety of audiobooks available on this site for free, and you will get paid $5 for that. How insane! And if they keep using Audible.com, you're even going to make more money off of that. You'll make $0.50 for each audiobook they get from Audible.com. And believe me, a lot of them will actually end up buying different audiobooks and signing up for the Gold Digital memberships after they're done with the free trial. But even if they stick with just the free trial, we're still gonna make $5, which is really amazing. It's going to be super simple, especially with the third platform I'm about to give or share to you in this video. Now, click Become an Affiliate and sign up for free. You'll be filling up some questions for needed information in order to register. After that, you will now be an affiliate for Audible.com. That means you can use your Audible affiliate link. Now grab those links and let us go back to those Instagram profiles we found earlier. Look for profiles with a large number of followers among them, and send them a direct message or DM. Ask them about their shout-out rates. And if their rates are expensive for you, do not worry. I will introduce to you a cheaper way to get shout-outs from top follow profiles on Instagram. And from that point, you can earn a lot more with Audible Affiliate Program and reinvest it again and again. For example, this page has 63,000 followers. You will DM and tell them what is their shout-out rates. In most cases, these guys charge like $5 to $10 for 24 hours on their page. Once those Instagram pages tell you like it's $5 or $10 for their shout-out ad, all we need to do is send them your Audible affiliate link, and you will pay them, and they will create an Instagram story ad and will utilize their big following. And that's going to take people directly to your Audible affiliate link. They can search through ebooks or audiobooks for free, and you're gonna get paid $5 per person that signs up. And since there are 60,000 followers, 60,000 people who love reading books can now see your offering. These people can sign up for free. It is simple as that. If you were selling something, that would be really hard. But with this one, it's super simple. If you can just get 1% of them to sign up for free, that's over $3,000 for a single story on Instagram. And even if you don't get that % conversion, or probably get even less, you're still going to earn for every sign up you get. Remember, each sign up using your Audible affiliate link is a way for you to earn money. Definitely, this is a simple method or strategy, but it is really great. And you can make a lot of money without selling anything and with some small investments. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleaholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.